They have a lot of parking space out here. This is by the car park. You see there the Trishland RESORT. Yeah. And the car park, motorcycle area over there. And then that's the exit. The exit right there. Very nice. This is the first resort I came to, and it's so nice. Guys, so I'm here now outside the Trishland Resort, and I'm gonna go in and see what it's like. It seems like it recently opened during the pandemic. It has been closed for so long. I think it was closed like for 2 years. So let's go inside now. It's very tall.
Yes, sir.
I usually my part of the world, this is the tower that
Aerial bike, sir. They call it
for the aerial bike.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Maybe soon it will be open.
I need to try the aerial bike. And this one here,
This is a hanging bridge.
hanging bridge, so you can just walk across there.
Yes, sir.